Hi, today we are going to learn how to collect feedback using a chatbot. Log into the portal and select the board and go to the builder. Create a path for feedback collection. In the path, add a feedback node in the feedback node. You can ask users to rate with the star type scale of 1 to 5 or 1 to 10 or the emoji type with a 3 or 5 point scale. You can change the text here if required. If you wish to update the conversation feedback, you can switch on the toggle here. Save the node and test the path. This is how the bot will collect feedback if you want to ask for more details. You can add a request user data node and ask users to provide text feedback. You can see the feedback score calculated on a scale of 100. You can also collect feedback from users to improve your bot answers. Sometimes the board might not send an accurate reply to the user query. To understand how to train your bot better, you can enable user feedback. To enable this, go to Train Settings, User Feedback, and enable user feedback. You can either have options or thumbs up or thumbs down React feedback. This is how both options would look like on the bot. For positive feedback from the user, you can trigger a path to say thank you or leave the path blank. For a negative feedback path, you can give an option for the user to connect with an agent. This is how it would appear on the web. Based on the feedback, you can filter out responses and train the board to answer queries better.